Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is logging. Logging is used to track test execution flow, understand failures in CI/CD, debug issues without stepping through code, provide audit and debug evidence. Types of loggings are info, where normal execution steps are used. Warning, unexpected but fatal behavior. Ex- Error, failures are exceptions. Debug, deep technical details. In real projects, console.writeline is not used. Using a logging framework in automation projects like Log4net, Nlog, Serilog. Logs should include step description, test name, timestamp, exception details, environment info, and also screenshot. Here in the sample script, if you see, I log the test details. When it started, I'm navigating to a login page, entering credentials, login successful, and if any exception, what is the exception message? This is a simple log, not framework capability log. So this is only for you to understand and get started. In real frameworks, we use proper log libraries. Logs tells the story of your test execution. Good logs reduce debugging time drastically. No logs equal to blind automation. If you can't explain the failure from logs, logging is weak. Let me run the sample script, then you will understand. If you see, it has been executed, but we need to check the logs. So we will say console.readline, read key, open close. Now we will be able to see the message. If you see, test started, navigating to login page, entering credentials, login successful. If there is an issue in the try block, if login is unsuccessful, then you will see the catch exception messages. So now I will press enter and it closed.